Yeah, hello Sue. Okay, good to see you again. So, how are you? Oh, what did we study last time? You have to say, I'm good, thank you. Oh, very good. One more time. How are you, Sue? Yay, great. Okay, so let me ask you again. How old are you, Sue? How old are you? I am 8 years old. Years old. Okay, one more time. I am 8 years old. 8 years old. Yay! Okay. So, let's have a review of the alphabet. So, without any mistake. So, can you say the letters again, the alphabet? Z! Yay! So, at least only at the end. So, but you're almost there. Okay. Now, how about the numbers? Yes, you have the book. Very good. Okay, but let's have the numbers first. Oops. Where is Sue? Where is Sue? Okay, so alright. Yeah, the camera fell. But now, okay, so let's have the numbers again. 1 to 10. Okay, so Sue, count 1 to 10. 1. Oh. Count 1 to 10. What's next after 1? 1. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. So today, all right, we're going to talk about what is it? Today is Monday. Great. So today is Monday. Did you go to school today? Did you go to school? Very good. So, okay, we're going to have colors. Okay? Colors. What color is this? Can you see? What color? What color? Color. What color? Pink. Very good. This is pink. Yeah. Okay. What about this? What color is this? Do you see? Blue. Great. How about this? What color is this, Sue? Red. Very good. This is red. How about this? Can you see? Can you see clearly? What is this? This is also similar to the name of the fruit. Yes. Oh, what color? It starts with O. Orange. Yes, this is orange. Okay. How about this one? Black. I think I run out of colors now. This one. What color is this? This. Green. Okay, perfect. You have? Yes. Here is the camera. Where's the camera? Yes. That's color green. Oh, show me. Show me your pencil. Are they pencils or pen? Show me your pens. What color is the pencil? Is that orange? Yellow. Isn't it yellow like banana? Yellow. This is like yellow, but yeah, yellow color. Orange is like this. Oh, you get the orange. This is orange, right? Yes, this is orange. Yeah, that one is yellow. Okay, can you say yellow? Very good. Okay, so yes, yeah, that one is yellow. You've got lots of pens there. Okay, very good. So where's your book now? Let's have the activity. Go to page. Yes, that's correct. Unit 1, page 1.